Hello, my friends. Namaste and welcome to Oregon Corner. I am the Orgonite Catechist. All of our how-to videos document the journey of an idea, a thought, or an intention into a beautiful manifestation that reminds us how powerful we truly are. Once you begin to work with the elemental and alchemical energies involved in Orgonite, your life will change in the most amazing ways. Synchronicities and serendipities will follow you everywhere. Today's journey is about the crown chakra, the Sahasrara, or doorway to God. The crown chakra is a wheel or a vortex of energy that is located above your head. There really is no color or specific element associated with the crown, as it is all that is, and it is the source of divine light and unity consciousness. However, white is most commonly used because white contains all colors. The sound frequency you're hearing is 963 Hertz, the frequency of universal wisdom and connection to higher realms and dimensions. I chose this based on the solfeggio frequency scale. There are many scales you can use to tune your chakras, but this one resonates with me the most. For more information on the crown chakra and solfeggio frequencies, please follow the links in the description below. The organic and inorganic materials used for this project are placed before you. You will see gold-plated chain, gold-plated wire, clear quartz crystal, gold-plated nuggets, a stone cocktail combination of white howlite, white jasper, clear quartz, selenite, and moonstone, a reflective sticker of the crown chakra symbol. I recommend smudging your space with sage and palo santo. To start this project, I will place pearlescent resin into each corner of the pyramid, slowly assembling the apex. As each corner is partially curing, I will place gold-plated nuggets along the very edge. After 6 to 8 hours, the resin is cured enough to turn the pyramid and begin the next corner. The effect is beautiful, reminding us of the powerful, creative source light energy of the central sun. Once the gold outlined four-pointed star is complete, I will wrap the clear quartz crystal in gold-plated wire. This crystal has been cleared in sunlight and moonlight, and then programmed with the 963 Hertz frequency and the intention of crown chakra healing. The spiraling wire represents the path of least resistance, of the movement of energy and matter through space and time. Gold is the metal of the gods, adorning items we call precious. I may have mentioned this before, but most gold comes from the center of the earth, and there's enough of it to cover the earth 18 inches high. I'll suspend this crystal from popsicle sticks and pour clear resin. As the resin cures, it will compress the crystal and the wire, and a piezoelectric effect is created. This generates a toroidal or donut-shaped electromagnetic field around the orgonite. Once secure in the resin, I'll remove the suspension apparatus and trim the wire. This next layer will consist of the white clear stone cocktail, more gold, and clear resin. First, I will pour the clear resin, as it's easier to identify and remove bubbles if the resin is poured first. And then we will add the stone cocktail. White howlite for clarity and open-mindedness and spiritual compassion. White jasper for peace, calm, and tranquility. Clear quartz for communication with the spiritual realm and protection for astral travel. Selenite, when charged with full moon energy, has the ability to clear and charge our auras as well as other crystals, preparing us for our spiritual awakening. And finally, moonstone, to awaken our psychic gifts and attune us to the messages from the angelic realms. So a powerful combination of crystals to use for crown chakra healing. I will complete this layer with 2 rows of gold-plated chain around the border. The next layer will consist of dark reddish-brown shimmering resin. I really wanted a darker color to balance and ground the high vibrational stones used in this orgonite. No matter how open and clear our crown chakra is, we are still physical beings that must stay grounded. Once this layer has cured enough to support the crown chakra symbol, I will place it in the center. The 1,000-petal lotus representing the highest attainment of consciousness for the physical being, and the writing represents the seed mantra, Om. I'll complete the pyramid with dark violet resin. And after 12 to 24 hours of additional curing in the mold, we can demold our crown chakra orgonite. This is the final pyramid of the chakra series. Our eyes are immediately drawn to the 4-pointed star apex. The high vibrational energies pouring through this pyramid stir our creative imaginations and connect us with the divine. The orgonite in this series are smaller, so you can collect all 7 for complete chakra healing. I wish you peace, love, and joy. Namaste. Please join me for the crown chakra meditation to follow.